Welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest news and updates from the world of cryptocurrency. In today's video, we're going to talk about how BitFuFu Antminer coupons trading function is simplifying cloud mining. BitFuFu, a leading cloud mining service provider, has recently launched its Antminer coupons trading function, which allows users to trade their coupons on the BitFuFu platform. With this function, users can acquire Antminer coupons at a discounted price, which they can then use to purchase mining machines at lower prices. According to BitFuFu, this new feature is a great way for users to save money when purchasing mining machines. Users can buy the coupons using either Bitcoin or USDT and then redeem them for Antminer machines. Additionally, BitFuFu provides its users with a one-stop mining service that includes mining machine hosting, maintenance, and repair services. BitFuFu's platform is designed to simplify the mining process for users. It provides users with access to the world's top mining farms, ensuring that their mining machines are always operating at optimal performance levels. Additionally, BitFuFu has a team of professionals who are available 24/7 to assist users with any questions or issues they may have. In conclusion, BitFuFu's Antminer coupons trading function is a great way for users to save money on mining machines. The platform's one-stop mining solution makes it easy for users to get started with cloud mining, and the company's team of professionals ensures that users have a seamless experience. BitFuFu is a reliable and trusted provider of cloud mining services, and its new trading function is a welcome addition to its already impressive offerings. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it informative, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates from the world of cryptocurrency.